In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage enterprise settings in Asana. To begin, open Asana, click your profile photo in the top right corner, and select Admin Console. This is your centralized hub for keeping your organization secure, organized, and running smoothly. Inside, you'll find 4 key areas to manage: Insights, Members, Teams, and Billing. I'll walk you through what each one does and how to think about using them effectively. Start with Insights. Here you'll see real-time charts that show how your organization is adopting Asana, which users are active, and how task completion is trending over time. Use these visuals to spot what's working and where momentum might be slowing down. For example, a steady rise in completed tasks can signal strong adoption, while a dip in active users might suggest a team needs a quick refresher or additional onboarding. Insights help you make data-informed decisions, celebrate wins, and identify where enablement can have the biggest impact. Next is Members, your central directory for managing people in the organization. From here, you can invite new teammates when they join and deactivate users when they leave, which preserves their historical work while removing access. Keep this list clean and current to ensure the right people have the right access. In 2026, you'll also find Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC here. RBAC lets you assign custom roles with tailored permissions, so you can grant only what's needed, like limiting who can manage billing or who can create new teams, without making everyone a full admin. Move on to Teams. This is where you create or delete teams and control who can see them. Set visibility to public if the work benefits from transparency across the organization, or choose private to the org for sensitive initiatives, confidential planning, or topics that require tighter control. Consistent team names and clear descriptions help people find the right place to collaborate. Periodically review your team list to keep the structure focused and relevant as your organization evolves. Finally, open Billing to manage payment details. Here you can update your payment method, download invoices for record keeping or audits, and adjust your seat count. Align your seats with your active user base to stay cost effective, and plan ahead for growth so you're not scrambling during hiring waves. Remember, only those with billing permissions should make changes here to avoid accidental adjustments. That's it. By regularly checking insights, keeping members current, structuring teams thoughtfully, and staying on top of billing, you'll keep your Asana environment healthy, secure, and ready to scale.